Okay, so in this video I'm going to show you how to set up the advertising. So to begin with, we'll set the advertising site-wide, and then I'll show you how to do it for each category and each individual post. Okay, so to begin with, we go to Appearance and Theme Options, and now we can enter our codes in here. So we'll start with the site banner codes, and the banner codes are the ones that appear at the top of the screen. So if you don't want any banner codes to appear, leave that blank. Right. And then if you go here, we'll see that the banner at the top has disappeared. To add a single banner code so that you have one that always appears, just go and grab a banner code from Max Bounty. So here I've just got UK dating offers, so we'll add, I don't know, this one here, date agency, and we'll get a banner, and we'll get this one here, get the tracking code, and oops, right, so we just copy that and paste it in here, save it, and do this. No, so there we are, our date agency banner has appeared, and you can click on it and it goes to date agency wherever that was. Okay, there we go. So but also you can also set your banner codes to rotate, and to do this you just separate them with a comma. So I'll add another one here. I've got one up here, date agency, got one here, XXX Black Book Dating. So I'll add that one, comma separate it, yeah, then comma separate again, and I've got another one somewhere, yeah, Anastasia date here. I'll add that one as well, and if I save it, what will happen is each time a page loads, it'll pick a random banner from this comma separated list. So I'll save it, and then if I refresh the page, so it's picked that one that time. Oh, I think it's because it's loading from the cache. Right, there we go. So see, I've got the wrong one there, but if I load it again, so you get the idea. So it just picks a random one from those three each time. Now I'll just get rid of these ones and pull it back just to the one. So just leave that with one. Now site pop under codes, it's the same thing again, but you'll notice all these pop-ups that have appeared down here. That's because I've got the pop under frequency not set. I'll put it to 1. And basically what happens is every time you click on the site, so a pop under appears, and it is a random pop under from that list. So that one is one of these, yeah. So I'll refresh the page and I'll show you the same thing again. Click here, and my PC up again. There we go, this time it's Deadline that's loaded up, so it just picks a random one from a random URL from this comma separated list. So just to clarify, in this top one here you use a banner code from any CPA site. I'll show you how to actually write your own banner codes in the manual. And site pop under codes, you just use a URL, the URL of what you want to appear in your pop under. Oh, something else I'll show you. Do you know how I said that you can comma separate these banner codes here so that they rotate, that a random one is picked? If you don't comma separate them, you can actually get 2 or as many as you want to appear at the same time. So for instance, I'll just show you. I'll get another one of these. So I don't know, we'll get this one. Get the okay, so I'll get this one. And so this time, instead of comma separating it so that it picks a random one, I'm just going to leave the comma out, and I'll show you what happens. So you can see both of the banners have appeared there, and in this way you can have as many banners across the top as you want. So if I was to just show you, if I was to put the comma back in there, it would now pick a random one between these two each time that the page loads. So I'll just refresh the page. And there we have it. Okay, so now I'll show you how to do the categories, the category advertising. So basically, if you don't have anything set for any advertising set for your categories, or any advertising set for individual posts, these codes here will work site-wide. But if I was to set a new one for a category, so I'll just show you. I think I've got one already set on funny memes here. Yeah, so I've got some category banner codes and some category pop-under URLs set specific to this, and basically this means for the category page funny memes. So if we go to funny memes, you'll see it uses a different banner advertising, and it's done in exactly the same way as the last time with comma separating. So my comments from the site settings apply to this one. It's just that everything in this category will override the site settings. So you see all the memes in this funny memes category and the funny memes page, it has different settings. And you can even go even further than that. You can go to the posts, and you can set add settings for individual posts. So here I want to set this one to be something, I don't know, we'll use this banner here, yeah? So I'll use that tracking code and set that. And I'll put this one into funny memes as well, just to show you that. So I'll refresh this page. So now when I click on this one, this overrides not only the site settings but the category settings for the advertising as well. So this one meme here has its own advertising settings. So if I was to leave that blank, this would use the category settings that it belongs to. See, that's the advertising for the funny memes category. And then if I was to go back to the funny memes category and then remove the banner code from there, this now reverts to the site-wide one. There we go. So you can see you've got a hell of a lot of control there over all your advertising. You can really target your advertising as much or as little as you want. So you can have category banner codes. You can have banner codes and pop under URLs for either the site, category level, or post level. Okay, so that's advertising.